So, folks, we're here with the one and only Joseph from Vero Engineering. Joseph,
How's it going, buddy?
see you
Good to
as
see
always.
you.
And we've had your knives in our store. They did not last long, and that really speaks to the quality that you guys put out and the
Appreciate
popularity of them. And also the quality that you guys put out won you some awards here.
They did our first awards. Not only our first award, our first awards.
Plural. So tell us what we got here. We got a fixed blade and a folder.
Yeah, so first up is our EDC fixed blade. The idea here is that it's a fixed blade that you want to carry on you. So you're able to take the titanium clip, put it on your Kydex sheath, and this way you can EDC your fixed blade.
In your pocket.
In your pocket, have it on you when you need it, instead of in a drawer somewhere.
That is fantastic. That is beautiful.
So M390 steel blade, we offer titanium scales, marble carbon fiber scales, black micarta scales. Unfortunately, they sold out here at the show, but we're going to try to make sure that we get some out to you guys.
Nice. That is awesome. Now, what is this other award for here?
So, the best factory folder is our Vero Lux. This is a full titanium frame lock, M390 steel blade. It has the Vero flipper, hollow ground, hand satin on this one, and if you notice, it has internal milling, a honeycomb pattern in there. I was able to take as much weight out of this as possible to get it to 3.8 grams.
Wow.
Excuse me, 3.8 ounces.
That's insane.
Thank you. Full titanium clip, backspacer screws. And this is our first folding knife blade show win.
That is
really
fantastic.
proud of that. And this is a Riot produced.
When is that going to be available?
So the pre-order sold out on that.
Okay.
Just after Blade Show Atlanta, we're hoping to be able to drop them. And then soon after that, hopefully we can get some on your site.
That's awesome. Now, a few other things that we're going to be ordering that's going to be available soon. Obviously, the Axon has been extremely popular.
Yep.
Liner lock, full titanium there, and M390 on the blade steel.
Exactly.
Another one that's drop shut and front flipper, or you've got the fuller right there.
Exactly.
The action on your knife is just phenomenal.
Thank you.
And it's not often that front flippers are really easy to use.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about what goes into your design and your thought process there.
So actually my wife says these are the only front flippers that she's able to use. The idea here is that we have a high but not overly protruding front flipper, somewhat but not too aggressive jimping on there, and the geometry for the pivot allows you to kind of prime it and roll it over the top.
Yes.
You know, some people might want to use a wrist flick on
Right.
it, but you know you get the geometry right when you
can use it with your index
I call it
finger.
the over the top.
We're going back to old school.
There you go.
There, yeah.
Didn't know if you knew that reference.
Absolutely. And you're also going to have some Neurons available very soon. And
Yes.
these are really cool. So tell us about the design on these and what makes these different.
Absolutely. So, some people like having a non-locking knife on them. So these are double detent. You have your rear flipper, front flipper, or top flipper. You have your milled pockets on both sides. And this way, you're able to have a full titanium with titanium liners, M390 steel blades. That's a non-locking knife. And in some places, in some countries, you can't have a locking over 3-inch knife with flippers. So for the first time ever, we've come out with the non-locking, under 3-inch, non-flipper tab Axon that you can use your pinch grip, your thumb open, or flick as well.
That is super cool.
Thank you.
That is fantastic. And so we're going to be getting some of those in as well.
Absolutely.
That is awesome. Joseph, thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate you guys and love everything you guys are
Thanks a
doing.
lot. Appreciate you guys stopping by.